guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing and showing you all the products that is there available in this Glamego's makeup subscription box for this month, and I just wanted to make a video for you guys where I just unbox and show you all the stuffs that I have in this month's subscription box from Glamego. So let me just quickly start with today's video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you haven't hit that bell icon, just make sure to hit that bell icon so that you just get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So this is Glamego's April month subscription box. This contains 4 to 5 makeup products, and you get this box for rupees 399 if you are purchasing currently for this month. The box rate is 399 rupees. Let me just quickly unbox. I just removed all the covers already. So let me just quickly show you what are the things that we have in the month's box. So first thing, let me show you this one. Here we have got this Hip Hop Skincare Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strip. I would definitely love to try this. You get one nose strip. This is used to remove your blackheads, whiteheads and oil and dirt if you have any. I haven't tried any nose strips so far because I don't have any of those, blackheads problem. I do have whiteheads, but I don't have any blackheads, and I have this thought like only people with blackheads are supposed to use nose strips, but I am just going to try this out. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but I'm just going to try this out. Maybe later, not now. Next up, we have this activated charcoal detox face mask from the brand Namely. It's like this handmade kind of face mask, and I definitely do wanted to try this, and this is being retailed for rupees 300. This alone is being retailed for rupees 300. I would definitely like to try this out because this is kind of looking tempting for me to use. So next up, we have this sample size Japanese face wash from the brand Global Beauty Secrets. So this one is a face wash. You would definitely be able to use this only for like 5 to 6 uses, I believe. If you're using it twice a day, then I think probably only 3 days it would last. So for a month, this is definitely not enough. This one is like a fancy thing that you could use. I just wanted to see the consistency. I haven't opened this, so I just wanted to see how the face wash looks like. Smells refreshing. This looks like a gel. I don't want to ruin this. Let me just quickly wipe this on my dress. So this one right here is a surprise gift from Glamego team. So this one is the Star Stuck lipstick by Sunny Leon, and this is the lipstick. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful matte, intense matte lip color lipstick. I haven't tried this before. This one is in shade Caramello. I got the shade Caramello. I have the color on my lips. I have lined my lips with a dark brown lip liner if you're wondering. And let me show you the color. This is like a beautiful nude, peachish nude color. Honestly, would work really well on any skin type if you work this in the right way. If you are on the duskier skin side, please make sure you line your lips with a dark brown lip liner like I have did here, and then you can just apply the color. And this is how the lipstick looks like. Fancy and nice and sleek and good looking. This is like a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful warm tone nude shade. And let me just quickly swatch a little bit here. This is actually not a super drying matte product. It is moisturizing. It is creamy but matte, and honestly I love the color. This is so good. The color is really very, very nice. And if you're wondering, the shade name is Caramello. And next one, we have got an eyeshadow, a beautifully shaded eyeshadow from the brand Cal Los Angeles. So this one is in shade, not mentioned anywhere, I think. It's like this beautiful lavendery blue shade, and this one came shattered for me. Let me just swatch the color for you. It's like a beautiful lavenderish shade. Honestly, a nice color, but it came shattered like that. That is it. So these are the products you get in this month: a face mask, a face wash, a nose strip, a lipstick, and a shaded eyeshadow. So that's it. As I said, I will be linking all the details of the subscription box in the description box below. So if you are planning to get the box for a month, you would have to pay like 399 rupees including shipping. So if you are subscribing for 6 months, it would be like 319 rupees. Likewise, you kind of get some discounts depending upon how much month you subscribe for. You have 3-month subscription, 6-month subscription and 1-year subscription. I'll be linking all the details in the description box below. Would I recommend you to get this box? If you're really interested in getting these kind of subscription boxes, what I would recommend you is to wait, see what that month's box consists of. If you are really wanting to get those products, or if you really are tempted to buy those products in an affordable rate, like in a subscription box like this, you can definitely get that once after checking what the box contains. If you have subscribed for 3 or 6 or 12 months, you would definitely not be able to know what you're going to get for the next month. So if you wait and get for 399 rupees, say for like 400 rupees, then you would know what you're actually getting. So I would recommend you to see before you get, instead of subscribing. So in that way you would know if you want to get the month's box or not. So that's the point from my side. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.